Hello, welcome back to my creations. How you guys doing today? Today's video is going to be a whole made soul food mukbang. We're going to say a prayer, get a thumbnail, and get it in. Alright guys, we have beef short ribs, rice and gravy, smothered potatoes, string beans, and corn. To drink we have fruit punch, and I also have my Louisiana hot sauce. Happy Friday! Thank God it's Friday. Can you guys believe that it's already Friday? Like, oh my goodness. This week has went by so fast. It's crazy. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys are having today for your lunch or dinner. I have a really good week this week, as well as my children. I'm definitely looking forward to the weekend. It's going to be really warm and nice out here in Chicago. I definitely will be ready for a nice chill bottle of wine later on this evening. And have a movie night with my babies. Now Saturday, I definitely would like to find out something to do as a family. It's going to be really warm and nice. I was thinking maybe a carnival if it's open there somewhere. A swimming pool, a water park, a zoo, or a shed aquarium. Well, something else like Dave and Buster's or Gizmos. And beef short ribs are on point. They are tender and very seasoned. So delicious. So guys, I really don't have a topic today. We can just chat a little. All my children are at school today. And I can't lie, I be missing my babies. All three of my babies. But at the same time, I know I deserve that air and that break to get more things done and accomplished. We're not gonna be in all over the place and in my way. Mm. I really need to decide what I want to do with them tomorrow. There's so many great options, you know, living out in Chicago. It's a lot of fun activities to do with your family. Always something fun going on in Chicago. But you gotta watch your surroundings and of course make sure it's a safe area. And your safety is always key. That's number one on your list no matter where you go. Chicago, out of town, wherever. Safety is always the key. Always, always. No matter if you're familiar with the area, the people, or whatever. The place, always watch your surroundings. Always keep your guard up. Always, always. I tell my children that as well. You always watch your surroundings. You definitely have to teach your kids at a young age these days, because this world is crazy. Very crazy and crucial. And definitely different than the times when we were growing up. So, I fall right off the bone. So simple. Comment down below and let me know what you all have planned for your weekend. And where you all are from. As I said before, I'm from Chicago. I'm born and raised. I want to take me a trip before the year ends, but I don't know where I want to go. I've been to Atlanta years ago. I've been to Vegas this year for my 30th birthday, and I think 3 years ago I went to Vegas as well. So I don't know, maybe Cali or Miami, Texas. I don't know. I'll figure it out soon. This meal is so fulfilling. That's one of the happy man. My father's on vacation now. We went to Arizona, Phoenix first. And he's having a guy's trip with all his fellas. They've been friends for 20 plus years. And they're also going to rent a car after spending time in Phoenix, Arizona to drive to San Diego, California. I know that's going to be beautiful. Wish I could have been there, but safe travels to Pops. And his friends and their loved ones. Safe travels and remain COVID free. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for post notification videos. Every time I upload a video, you will be notified. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Please be safe. Practice your social distancing with the COVID-19 guidelines. And you all have a lovely, lovely weekend once again. See you later, my creations.